Thank you for joining us today at Bible Crafts for Kids. We have a new creative page for you in the People of the Bible series. We call this lesson Abram, Lot, and the Descendant Blessing. So let's get started. You will find the download for this craft and creative page and the lesson at Bible Crafts for Kids. In the download, you will find the lesson, complete instructions, and the label templates for this creative page craft. For the craft, you're going to need a 12 by 12 or 6 by 6 base page. You're going to need the labels, and you're going to need the instruction page. We're going to start by cutting our 6 by 6 base page from the 12 by 12. If you're familiar with Bible Crafts for Kids, you will notice that this is our standard base page of 6 by 6. You will also notice that there are enough for 2 students of labels on each label page, and that is our base page. And now we're going to cut out our labels. In addition to our base page, we're going to need 2 3 by 4.5 inch rectangles. So I'm going to cut this into 3 inches, and then each one into 4.5. And we're going to need 2 of these. Now let's take these 2 little rectangles and do the scoring. We're going to score on the long edge at 1 inch and 2 inches on both pieces. 1 inch and 2 inches. That actually gives us 3 1-inch sections. Now let's cut our labels. We always start cutting our labels at the longest lines. And we don't want to cut into the memory verse, so our longest lines are actually going to be on this outside edge. Now we've got our edges cut, let's go ahead and cut the memory verse off. And then I'm going to cut the 2 sets of labels in 2. Now I'm only making 1 set for demonstration, so I'm only going to cut 1 memory verse. Let's continue by adding our adhesive. I'm going to turn my labels over and add my adhesive, and then I will cut them apart. On this rectangle, the 3 by 4.5 inch rectangle, you're going to have 2 score lines. Now we're going to put adhesive right next to the score line closest to the edge and 1 closest to the edge. So we do not want to cover this score line, and we do not want to go toward the center. So we're going to put that adhesive right next to the score line and then right on the edge. And we're going to do this on both rectangles. Now I'm using double-sided paper. So this side is the one that's going to attach to our base. So if you wanted this to show as your outside, you're going to want to put your double stick tape on the side that you want as the outside. I'm going to have mine be basically the same layer. And now let's finish cutting our labels. And that completes our kit. We have our base page, our 2 rectangles, our labels, and our memory verse. Now let us put our creative page together. We're going to take our rectangles and we're going to fold them in a tube to where it will roll over. Now you may have to manipulate this just a little and to get your creases to where they will lay down. And we're going to do that to both of our rectangles. And then we're going to apply our rectangles to our base page. One at the top and one at the bottom. And now we're going to apply our labels. We're going to start with our People of the Bible label. And then we're going to add our title on the very top of the first folded tube rectangle. And then we're going to put our Bible passage on the bottom top rectangle. Now the 3 remaining labels you can put on the inside of your rectangles and your tubes. And they can go in any order and any place on the insides of either the top or the bottom. I think I'm going to put my main characters on the inside of the bottom, and my words to live by I'm going to put on the top underneath, and I'm going to put it as close to the fold as I can get it. And the key verse I think I will put on the bottom. And hide it underneath the last tube. And that completes our page today. It is quite interesting. The kids like the folding of the manipulation, and it gives all the information about this lesson. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you for our next creative page.